Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television in the series of TC-either 50, 55, or 65 CX400. I'll go ahead and put the specific model numbers in the description so you can be sure. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now, I'm going to talk about two different ways to do this. But first of all, the two reasons you might want to do this are the first one is troubleshooting. If this TV is not working or not responding, or if it's not connecting to something, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason you might want to do this is just if you want to set this TV up as a new television somewhere on a new network, you can go ahead and very quickly wipe everything off of it. Now, just real quickly, we can do it through the setup menu. If you just go on your TV, if it's on, you can just hit menu on the remote, and then you're going to select setup, then select system, then select factory default, and then select yes to confirm it. But I'm actually going to talk about the way to do it with the actual buttons in case your TV is not responding or something like that. All we need to do is with the TV on, we're going to come and find the volume down button on the back of the TV, and then we're going to find the menu button on the remote control, which is just on the left side, just below the power button. And we're just going to press and hold both of those buttons, volume down on the TV, menu button on the controller, for more than 5 seconds. After those 5 seconds are up, we can go ahead and unplug the television. We're going to wait a few seconds and then go ahead and plug it back in and turn it back on, and it will restart into its factory default settings.